This practical is a demonstration of the working principle of the hot air oven. Hot air oven is the most common method of sterilization in the laboratory on dry heat. Sterilization is the process of removing or destroying all microorganisms, including viruses, bacteria, and their spores from the article or surfaces without destroying its quality and quantity. The principle of hot air oven. The hot air oven is an electrical device that works on the principle of dry and hot air convection, that is circulation of heated air, conduction and radiation. Hot air convection process is of two types: gravity convection process and mechanical convection. This hot air oven is a mechanical convection. There is use of heated blower or fan that actively forces heated air throughout all areas of the chamber. It is more efficient. Now we shall discuss the structure of the hot air oven. The main switch for operating the hot air oven has been placed outside. This is the main switch which is used for switching on the hot air oven. Then these are the lights which indicates that the hot air oven has been switched on. This is the control indicator. This switch works as the switch for switching on the fan, which is inside the hot air oven. And this knob is known as the thermostat. The thermostat is used for regulating the temperature of the hot air oven. Now we shall discuss the interior of the hot air oven. The hot air oven inside is a metallic cabinet with heating filament and fan fixed in the walls. Thermostat, temperature control, double walled, inner being pore conductor and outer being metallic and air-filled space in between the layers. Insulation keeps the heating and it conserves the energy. Electrically heated and provided with a fan or a blower to ensure rapid and uniform heating. The mechanism of the hot air oven is killing effect of dry heat on microorganism, which is due to the destructive oxidation of essential cell constituents, protein denaturation, and toxic effect of elevated level of electrolytes. There is a thermometer which has been placed on this part of the hot air oven. The use of the thermometer is to check whether the temperature within the hot air oven is sufficient enough to effectively kill the microorganism and successfully sterilize the glasswares. The articles that are used for sterilization in the hot air oven needs to withstand the high temperature and not get burned. The various glasswares that can be used in the hot air oven for sterilization are conical flask, petri dish, pipette, test tubes, and spreader. We can also use other products for sterilization inside the hot air oven, like the forceps or scalpel, glass syringes, pharmaceutical products like liquid paraffin, fats, grease, and dusting powder, etc. Now we shall discuss the handling procedure of the hot air oven. The articles to be sterilized needs to be wrapped properly in sterile papers or enclosed in container or cardboards. Mouth of ends of pipettes must be plugged with cotton wool. So the wrapping which is being done here is by using sterile newspapers so that the sterilization is done. The articles are then placed at sufficient distances so as to allow free circulation of air in between them and to ensure uninterrupted airflow. The door is shut and then the hot air oven is switched on. When the thermometer shows that the hot air oven has reached sterilizing temperature, heating is continued for the required period of time. For example, 160 degrees centigrade
for an hour. Then allow the temperature to fall up to 40 degrees centigrade approximately after removal of sterilized materials. This will prevent the breakage of glassware. So this is how the sterilization procedure in a hot air oven is performed.